So, sabi ni Susan na she's ginseng to Manny Pacquiao and me like controversial. Different country and provinces, Visayas, iba-iba tayong opinion. I'm Masbate City. So, my opinion is, what the problem your country in Visayas is low soul, unbelieve your President Duterte and evil. Kaya, totoo naman sinasabi ni Susan sa Lance True, di ba? Na hukumin nga sila. Ay, ganun talaga kasi iba-ibang bansa sa Pilipinas to provinces, Metro Manila, kanya-kanya tayo ng scientific eh. Value your country, your problem country and politics and Christ. So, going to reject and destroy. So, ang mga taong umaatak dito kay Susan Salanstro is guilty because his word is right to poisoning in our people and guilty. Wala tayong magagawa dyan. Action ng Davao City yan. Ni Sara, ni Duterte, all politics wars on drug war. Dapat nga namatay talaga lahat ng tao sa Davao City para wala ng problema ang whatever the Philippines countries. Hindi naman tayo magkakadugsong ng bitukan. Opinion is opinion of our countries, Lord.